Smartphone manufacturer Honor launched the X7 series of the phones, which has been on the rise due to the amazing features that it has to offer, which we are going to discuss deeply. Friends, welcome to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. So starting from the par with the chipset, that the new Honor X7 is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 685 and combination of an octa-core CPU in delivering the maximum performance to the users and with GPU of Adreno for best graphics results. Your new Honor X7 offers a 6 and 8 GB of RAM with 128 and 256 of internal memory. Honor will provide IP64 ingress protection. The display of the Honor X7 looks very attractive due to its massive size. It's a 6.77 inches IPS LCD touchscreen display that supports the 90 Hz refresh rate and also has a sharp resolution of 720 pixels. You do not need to worry about the battery life since it comes with the gigantic 5200 mAh battery system, which makes it a great option for mobile phones users with support of fast charging with 35 watt. The software side is handled by the Android 14 pair assembly with Honor Magic OS on the top. The latest X7 comes with the 108 megapixel main sensor and with 2 megapixel macro lens with a sharp LED flashlight. And there is a punch hole cutout for the 8 megapixel front facing camera. Honor X7 is available in midnight black, forest green and silver colors. Pricing starts at $185 for the 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, and goes up to $227 for the 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.